can't believe it. I can't believe it. Football, bloody hell.
फुटबॉल ब्लडी हेल में स्वागत है वापस. हम हैं यहाँ पे एक एक्सक्लूसिव सिलेक्ट मीट एंड ग्रीट विद पैट्रिस एवरा. थैंक्स टू 12th मैन ब्रूइंग. तिलक ने ये डाला था ऑब्वियसली, जिसने ओले ऑन इंडिया में इवेंट किया था. सुनील आज मेरा कैमरा मैन है. द डेज हैव कम. सुनील इज माई कैमरा मैन. हाय सुनील, थैंक यू सो मच भाई. तो आज एक 1 hour इंटरव्यू रहा है पैट्रिस एवरा का यहाँ पे. देयर इज ऑल्सो अ चांस टू मीट हिम, टॉक टू हिम ऑब्वियसली फॉर लिटिल बिट. उसने क्रेजी चैलेंज किया था वहाँ पे. इन 14 seconds ही हैड टू टेक अ बॉल अराउंड अ कपल ऑफ बियर्स. तो बहुत मज़ा आया ये सब इवेंट के लिए. यूल सी इट इन द एपिसोड. एंड व्हाट आई लाइक जेन्युइनली इज कि पैट्रिस एवरा भाई वो बंदा ऐसा ही है. उसका कुछ शो नहीं है, कुछ शोफा नहीं है. ही इज एग्जैक्टली लाइक दैट ऑन कैमरा, ऑफ कैमरा. बहुत चिल बंदा है और बहुत मज़ा आया. एनीवे, वॉच द एपिसोड, लेट अस नो हाउ यू थिंक, एंड वी विल सी यू गाइस इन अ नॉर्मल वीकली एपिसोड्स.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, 5 Premier League titles. Can we please make some noise for Patrice Evra? And it's been a journey from there to then being the best left back in England, FIFA teams of the world.
Every game. So I back to the hotel at 4 a.m. I end up sleeping around 6 a.m. So my, the time zone is all over the place. So that's why I respect them, because after the game, the next day they have to go to work or things like that, and people don't understand. That's why they're fine. You get doing all of that. But now the football can change. And if you're a red, you are a red. And it's not like I hate Liverpool, it's not like I hate City, because I don't have hate in my heart. But it's just like why you have to play it, or why you have to play a song sound of Oasis, like Imagine Drake, every place is going now, and putting Kendrick. So he know the feeling, but it's just like we are so, I always say, I don't need Manchester United. I love Manchester United.
He said to me, so I bet it, so I asked, who is he? He goes by the name of Wayne Rooney. What's up? Wayne Rooney. What's up? Wayne Rooney. What's up? Goes by the name of Wayne Rooney.
You're not helping me. Maybe you drink too much beer.
Pani puri or butter chicken?
Tandoori chicken.
Come on.
Tandoori chicken. Tandoori chicken. Tandoori chicken.
Scousers. Patrice Evra is a red, is a red, is a red. Patrice Evra is a red. He hates Scousers.
Okay, that's a good start. I can see that's a good start. That's speed as well. There's no real. Oh, Pat, you're an expert.
Oh, God. Don't say that.
Pat, you're an expert. Yay!
Evra is a red, is a red, is a red. Patrice Evra is a red. He hates Scousers.
All right, we're here with the man of the hour, Tilak. I don't want to say his full name also. Everyone knows Tilak. They see his face and they know what he's done. Ole in India and now Patrice Evra. Tell us about today's event. It was a little different. A new podcast maybe coming up?
So the idea was we got limited time around this particular event with Pat, and we wanted to make the most of it, obviously. And my vision of bringing Man United closer to India and India closer to Man United stays. So if Patrice Evra is in town and I'm not doing something with him, as a fan and then even as a concept of what I'm working on was not okay. But despite of that, what we have started off with today, the first episode of Off the Field, an evening with, I think it couldn't have gone better with anybody else unless it was an Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. Off the field, the first episode, it could not have gone any better with anybody else unless it was Patrice Evra. And I think the conversation went that way. He was very open. I'd love to hear you. In fact, sorry, we're going to swap roles. What did you think of the interview, the conversation, the quality?
Look, we love the man. We love the man. Honestly, he was so candid, right? Exactly. You know, भाई लोग, अगर आपको लगता है ना कि कैमरा में कोई अलग है, ऑफ कैमरा कोई अलग है, Patrice Evra जो कैमरा में है, वो ऐसे रियलिटी में है. He loves religion, like he said. He respects God and he respects people like us, and he speaks like that, right? And we saw that coming out. Absolutely beautiful, uncensored. I won't tell. ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा. I have a few 30-second clips here and there, but the main event will come out when the episode comes out because it's only fair, right? So, but thank you for that. It's lovely.
Of course, no, thank you. Thanks for making it. I appreciate it. I think it's been, 12, 13 years I've lost track with Man United Mumbai, and just to be able to now do stuff, and obviously the vision is to keep rallying on fans from across India. So your support is like quintessential for the growth of what I'm trying to do.
One more thing, because I have to ask you. You a little snippet in the end. You told us that you're going to LA with the first team.
So tomorrow I'm flying out to Berlin to watch England take on Spain, where I'm going to do a little bit of showmanship around the new beer that we have just launched today.
Yeah, you can have a can.
As a tribute to Patrice Evra, we released a French vanilla porter today. And so my job now is to be the 12th man. So I'm taking beers to major sporting events around the world that I enjoy as the 12th man, as a fan. So that's happening in Berlin. And then, long story short, I will be flying with the Man United first team from Manchester to LA. As they commence their preseason tour, I'll be spending some time with them. I don't know how it's going to go, but I'm sure it's going to be great. I'm going to watch United take on Arsenal. Wow. That's at the Sophie Stadium on the 28th of the month. And yeah, fingers crossed, like it'll be a good experience. And look, again, while I'm a fan, so it sounds like, oh, that's incredible. I'm here with a mission, which now the club knows as well. I want to do whatever it takes to bring Man United to come to India, to take India all the way to Man United, which happens already, but in a bigger capacity. Right. So yeah, that's that.
Perfect. Thank you so much for having us here. Another great event. And anything else for the fans before you leave?
All I can say is, it sounds very corny and very cliche, but picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्तों, मेरे Man United Mumbai fans and Man United India fans.
आप जानते होंगे ये कौन है. लास्ट हमारे वीडियो में तो छोड़ो, इंस्टाग्राम पे, ट्विटर पे आप लास्ट 6-7 महीने सो रहे होगे, तो यार क्या बोलूँ. Shanmugh, thank you so much for joining us again. आज कल क्या लगा meeting Patrice Evra? Your beautiful picture here, which is right now in the background, guys. You got to draw it. You got to go through the process, the hard work, and उसको अपने हाथ में थमाया. How does it feel?
It feels amazing actually. This was a very short notice. सबको last moment में पता चला कि Evra is coming, and a few of us were invited. So it was a private gathering, and so I had to make the best use of my time. जितना 2-3 दिन में I sat and finished the drawing and got it framed and brought it here, and I got to present it to Evra. So which was what I wanted to achieve today. Like that was the cherry on top of the event today. Event was brilliant. Interview बढ़िया था. It was short and sweet. Tilak asked the right questions. It was overall a fun program. We got to play some games with Evra, and also he was really nice with the fans. He didn't have a lot of time, but he stuck around and 10-15 minutes extra रुक के he took photos with everyone. And I got a photo with him as well, so absolutely delighted.
Right, interview पे on camera. Big things coming ahead for you. एक last चीज before we let you go. Who's the next player you want to wish you could meet and hand over the artwork to?
Great question. Like I said last time, I think Roy Keane, it would be a dream to have my work presented to him. However, right now, so Bruno commented on my artwork recently, the one with the FA Cup, and there's a chance that that artwork might be in his hands pretty soon. So really looking forward to that. Bruno is my favorite player currently ever since he joined us. and calling him a captain is an honor, absolute honor. So if I do get my artwork in his hands, it will be massive for me. Like I wouldn't believe it. It'll be crazy.